In this setup, the MicroXF tablet counter runs in automatic mode connected to the MicroIC bottle index carousel. It can also be connected to a bottle conveyor, a bucket elevator or a form fill seal machine. A bottle with compromised count accuracy will be rejected from the red reject marker position as seen in this demonstration, where a large capsule is mixed up with small tablets. In semi-automatic mode, the operator does the handling of the bottles. This mode is also great to fill stand-up pouches or large tubs. The minimum indexing time can be adjusted according to the preferences of the operator. In manual mode, we fill the hopper with a stock bottle. In our case, it has 250 tablets. The tablets are counted into a cup. When this cup has the set number of tablets, in our case 30 pieces, the machine pauses, the operator can tip the cup into a bottle and fill another cup. Let's fill 5 bottles. After those 5 bottles, we press the button to count the remaining tablets back into our stock bottle. In this case, there should be 100 pieces remaining. To demonstrate the check counting mode, we fill an empty hopper with 250 tablets and fill 5 bottles with 50 tablets each. Now we change to check counting mode by setting the target count to 0. We tip the first bottle in the hopper and start the process. We reset the count and test the next bottle. And the last one.